Stephen Kelly here from Southwest Survival. What I'm going to do now is just give you a quick review on Chedder Gorge, and as you can see outside, it's an absolute beautiful place. But if you're looking at coming here with your family and that, just make sure you've got plenty of water if you want to take the trials and go up and down the mountains, and have some money as well, because there's a lot of ice cream shops around here. But I tell you what, the views are amazing. It's good here for climbers as well. What I've seen is hundreds of climbers cutting about and climbing routes as well. But the walks you can do, you can go right over the highest point, and families can go up there as well. There's a nice easy track. There's a bit of a climb up an hill, but after that there's a nice easy track, and you can take your dogs round as well. What I didn't see around here though was anywhere to put your dog poop. So if your dogs are pooing on the trail, there's nowhere to put your bags other than you've got to carry with it till you get back down to the bottom to the village. In the little village as well, like I said, there's loads of little ice cream places, coffee places, nice little bars, nice little pubs. So hopefully when all this coronavirus is over, it'll be a nice place to visit in the summer. But if you haven't been here, it's worth checking it out. Really amazing views and a nice little city, well, a nice little village. But I love you all and leave you all. Like I always say, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a comment. Much appreciated. Speak to you all soon. Bye.